Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to install Git in Linux. Linux here is nothing but like Amazon Linux, CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora. Okay. If you want to install Ubuntu, that is a different process. I will show you later classes. Currently, we are going to install in Amazon Linux. I already created. I have connected the Linux server. Now I'm going to install the Git. If you remember, if you want to install any package in Amazon Linux or CentOS, Red Hat, we'll be using m command, right? So same thing here also, m install. What is the package name? Package name is Git, right? Git. Okay. Then I'm giving the enter. What will happen? It is gathering all the Git related configuration. If you observe here, it is installing Git, and there are a lot of dependencies also. It will be installed. If you give here, Y means yes, D means download, N means no. If I give yes, what will happen? A particular Git will be installed. If you observe here, it is one by one installing. Okay. Here Git is installed, and also along with that one dependencies also will be installed. Okay. How do we verify whether Git is installed or not? Using Git --- version. Using Git --- version, you can able to know whether Git is installed or not. If you observe here, the Git is installed, the version is 2.37.1. This is the process of installing Git in Amazon Linux or CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora. Okay. Using the m command, we can install. I hope understand, right? If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.